What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can make your computer speaks, and whatever you type it is going to be converted into computer style, and whatever you type is going to be in a robot voice. So how you can go and do that, I'm going to go and teach you how you can do that. So just go on search and type notepad. After that I'm going to go and give you this code in the description. You can go and find that out and copy and paste it in your notepad. After that, just go and file, save as. It will go and ask you for the desktop. Just go and delete everything and just go on and type, for example, text to voice. I'm typing this name because that's what it is going to do. But after that, just go and type VBS. So it is going to be VBS file. Just go and hit on save and just go and minimize this one. This is the file which has been converted. So what I'm going to do is click on it and it is going to give you a program like this. Now what you have to do is just go on and type, I'm going to go and type welcome to my YouTube channel. So it is going to go and speak what I have typed, and let me play that.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
So there you go, you have already heard what it said. So it's a simple and best way how you can go and make whatever you type, it is going to be converted in a computer language. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you guys next time.